Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to clear all cache and junk from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to clear all your cache or junk from your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to press Windows plus R key. Then here you need to type prefetch, prefetch, then hit enter. Here whatever files you will find, select all by pressing Ctrl plus A, then you have to press shift and delete, then click on yes. All files will be deleted. Then go to the second method. Again you have to press Windows plus R key, then type temp, then hit enter. Click on continue, then press Ctrl plus A, then you have to press shift plus delete, then hit enter, then click on continue and close this window. After that, again you have to press Windows plus R key. Here you have to type %temp%, then hit enter. Press Ctrl A to select all the files, then select shift and delete, then click on yes, then click on continue. Or you can select this, do this for all content items, click on continue. Some of the files to delete because they are running in background. You can skip that files, just select this and skip and close this window. Now you have to press Windows plus R, then type clean mgr, then hit enter. You have to select your Windows drive, then click OK. Here you can see you have to select all these temporary files, thumbnails, whatever is it, you have to select this and click on clean up system files, click OK. It will take some time. After completion of this, once you have to restart your PC. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can clear all cache and junk from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.